This is SmarTrend News. I'm Stephanie Hsu. Today is Thursday, January 6th, and this is your closing bell market wrap-up. The major U.S. equity indices closed mostly lower Thursday following a report on increased applications for unemployment benefits last week, as well as weak retail sales. The Labor Department reported that 409,000 people made first-time claims for benefits last week, up from 338,000 in the prior week, the lowest level in over 2 years. The report came one day after payroll processor ADP reported that 297,000 companies added jobs in the private sector, high above economists' expectations of 100,000. And in corporate news, Nordstrom reported a year-over-year boost of just under 8.5% to its same-store sales for the 5 weeks ending January 1st, 2011. Preliminary total retail sales in December jumped nearly 12% to $1.39 billion. Another retailer to report sales today was JC Penney. The company reported a 3.7% year-over-year increase to its comparable store sales for the period ending January 1st, 2011. December sales rose over 2% from the prior year, and women's accessories and jewelry garnered the strongest sales results. Apple launched its online Mac App Store, complete with more than 1,000 paid and free apps for Snow Leopard users via the Mac OS X 10.6.6 update. The Mac App Store will be available later this year for Mac OS X 10.7 Lion. Network defense solutions provider SourceFire is acquiring cloud-based anti-malware startup Immunet for $21 million in an all-cash deal. SourceFire paid $17 million to close the deal and is slated to pay an added $4 million to Immunet over the next 18 months based on product delivery milestones. Now taking a look at where the markets closed, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed over 0.2% lower at 11,697 points. The S&P 500 index closed just over 0.2% lower at 1,273 points, and the Nasdaq Composite closed near 0.3% higher at 2,709 points. For further updates, stay tuned. You're watching SmarTrend News. I'm Stephanie Hsu.